one of the most exciting breakthroughs in battery technology has just emerged, one that could power our electric future, introducing a new dual gradient battery design developed by scientists at the US Department of Energy's Argonne National Laboratory. This innovative design is poised to enhance battery performance, reduce costs, and propel electric vehicles and renewable energy storage to new heights. The heart of this advancement is what scientists call a dual gradient cathode. Think of it as a two-layered powerhouse that gives batteries more strength and stability. To understand its potential, let's break down the design, benefits, and the future it could help create. First, let's talk about how this dual gradient cathode works. Traditional cathodes are one-dimensional, but this new design features two gradients, a compositional gradient and a structural gradient. The compositional gradient finely balances materials like nickel, manganese, and cobalt. Each of these elements contributes differently. Nickel boosts energy density, while manganese and cobalt add stability. The second part is the structural gradient, which adds a new layer of strength. This means the cathode has a disordered, protective surface and an ordered core. Why does that matter? The disordered surface acts as a shield, stopping cracks that usually happen in high-voltage batteries, while the core structure keeps lithium ions moving quickly and efficiently, enabling fast charging and long-lasting power. This dual gradient approach has some impressive benefits. First up, stability. The disordered surface prevents cracking, which is a major problem with high-voltage charging. By protecting the battery from cracks, the design extends its lifespan and keeps it safe during intense use. Now, let's explore the implications. For electric vehicles, this means batteries with higher capacity and longer lifespans. This dual gradient design allows for greater energy density, meaning longer driving ranges without a bulky, costly battery pack. It's the next step in making EVs more practical and accessible for everyone. And it's not just about performance, this breakthrough cuts costs too. Cobalt, a common but expensive component in batteries, is reduced by almost 90% in the dual gradient design. Cobalt is not only pricey, but also has environmental and ethical issues tied to its extraction. With Argonne's innovation, cobalt use is minimized to below 2%, concentrated mainly on the particle surface for optimal stability. To prove this design works, scientists at Argonne put it through a rigorous testing process. They used advanced techniques like X-ray and electron imaging to confirm its stability and durability. After 500 charge cycles, the battery retained a whopping 98% of its capacity. That's virtually unheard of in today's batteries and shows just how robust this design is. So what does this mean for everyday users? Imagine an electric vehicle that not only lasts longer on each charge, but retains its capacity over years of daily use. For renewable energy grids, this could mean batteries capable of withstanding frequent, high-demand charging and discharging cycles without losing efficiency. Then, there's the environmental impact. Beyond reducing cobalt, this battery can help transition us towards a more sustainable energy future. With longer-lasting, more resilient batteries, renewable energy storage systems become even more practical. Imagine storing solar and wind power efficiently day after day. For years, that's the vision that Argonne's dual gradient cathode is helping to turn into reality. Argonne has already patented this design and is ready to license it to battery manufacturers. This means we could see this technology making its way into real-world products soon. With its potential to cut down battery production costs, improve safety, and boost performance, this battery innovation is positioned to make waves across industries. So, the next time you think about electric vehicles or renewable energy, remember that breakthroughs like Argonne's dual gradient cathode are working behind the scenes, making clean energy more accessible and sustainable for everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of battery technology, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest breakthroughs that are shaping our world.